Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Joe Shepard with Shepard Chiropractic. I'm here with Konnor. We are here to activate his Spiderman senses. I think he's ready. I know he's told me that when he gets adjusted, he sleeps a lot better. Isn't that right, buddy?
Yes.
Oh yeah. And he just feels better too, he said overall. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you ready to get your adjustment?
Yes.
Okay, let's activate, buddy. Activate. Okay, on your belly for me. Okay, on your side. Doing good, buddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
The hook toy.
Yeah, we got it good. Okay, let's get your neck. Okay, we're going to activate spidey senses. Activate. Yeah. Good job.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
This actually counts.
I love you, Dr. Joe.
Okay, go ahead and go.
Activate.